Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy Ethereum on eToro. In this video, we will walk you through the process step by step. First, make sure you have an eToro account. If you do not have one, go to the eToro website and sign up. The registration process is straightforward, and it will require you to provide some personal information and set up a secure password. Once you have created your account and logged in, navigate to the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in Ethereum or simply ETH and select it from the search results. This will take you to the Ethereum trading page, where you can see the current price chart and other relevant information about the cryptocurrency. To buy Ethereum, look for the Trade button on the right side of the screen. Click on it to open the trade window. Here, you will need to enter the amount of Ethereum you wish to purchase. You can also choose to set a stop loss or take profit if that option is available. Once you have entered your desired amount and set any options, click on the Open Trade button to complete your purchase. After your trade is executed, you can monitor your Ethereum holdings in your portfolio section. Remember to keep track of market trends and your investment goals. Thank you for watching this tutorial on buying Ethereum on eToro. Happy trading!